Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2019 Mercedes Sprinter. Obviously this is the model with the full steering wheel controls. Now the first thing you want to do is just make sure you're on the trip screen to start with. Obviously you can just see at the minute we've just got the warning message up there about the service. If we just scroll through, you'll just see that it's on the trip screen there. And the first thing you want to do is just press the start button once, just to get it to ignition stage. I'll just go back off, it was on ignition stage 1. You just want it on ignition stage 1, so it only puts a couple of lights on there. Once at that stage, simply press and hold the back button for 5 seconds, and then press the centre button there. And you'll come up with a new menu. Once you're on the new menu, use your touchpad to scroll down, and you'll scroll down to where it says Assist Plus. Once on Assist Plus, just press the button once. And at this stage now, you need to press the start button again, just to get you to stage 2 of the ignition. Once on stage 2 of the ignition, just press the little button there, that'll just clear you off the service warning, and you'll scroll down to where it says full service. Click on full service, and you'll scroll down, just confirm service. Just confirm your correct oil grade that you used, and then just scroll across to say the service carried out. Scroll across again and just confirm that, and see once it says full service completed, that's everything done. You can just simply go back out your menu. If you just turn the ignition off and now start it up, your service message is all reset. I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.